Hey guys, today I brought you one of the most requested video, Haitian style beef patties. Okay, I know it's been long overdue. If you guys want to learn how to make this delicious, mouth-watering Haitian patties, you already know what to do. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. I have over here my soaked bread that I let soak for a few minutes. I have 1 egg. I have my Haitian Epis and some smashed garlics and my onions. Okay, I'm using yellow onions. I have my bell peppers, which is green, yellow, red, and orange, just to add some colors. All right, I have my oil, my thyme, my tomatoes, Scotch Bonnet pepper, 1 Maggi cube, all right, only 1 garlic powder, salt, pepper, and 1 lime for some acid. And for the filling, I will be using ground beef, okay, but you are welcome to use any meat that you prefer: chicken, saltfish, smoked herring. And now I'm cutting up my peppers into tiny little pieces to add some heat. Okay, we all need some heat, okay. Now add my oil, my bell peppers, my yellow onions, my diced tomatoes, and my thyme. Now I am adding my epis and my smashed garlic, and I'm going to stir it and let it fry a little bit. And now I'm adding my ground beef, and make sure you guys break the meat, the chunks, okay? Break the chunks into tiny little pieces so it can look fine, just like this. I add salt, I add my onion powder, my garlic powder, okay. I add my fresh thyme, a squeeze of lemon juice, my Maggi cube, okay? And I'm going to add my Scotch Bonnet pepper now to add some heat. Again, if you don't like it, leave that out. Add some water, let it boil for a little bit, at least a good 30 minutes so it can get really soft. Okay, this is what that meat looks like after 30 minutes. Now I am adding my soaked bread, and make sure I mix it really well into the meat so I can get a sticky consistency. And also I remove some of the fat so it looks even stickier. And now my meat is ready for my patties. Because the dough takes so long to make, I will be using this puff pastry sheet that I got at my local Walmart. Of course, you can get at Publix and other local supermarket, and they taste pretty good, okay? Now I'm rolling my dough so I can get more out of it, because I will be making 2 shapes, a rectangular and a triangle. I'm going to cut my dough into squares. I'm going to add my meat, and I'm very generous with my meat because I like my patties with a lot of meat. I'm going to add some beaten eggs with water in it on the edges, and I'm going to fold it in half, and that is for the rectangular shape. Now for the triangle shape, you are doing the exact same thing. Add my meat, the eggs, and fold it in a triangular shape, okay? And I'm going to repeat the same process until I am done with all my patties. This is very simple, very easy to make. Now I am coating my patties with the remaining water and beaten eggs mixture, and I am going to bake it for at least 20 minutes or until it's golden brown and ready to eat. Now my patties are all done. It's nice, it's brown, guys. It smells so good. It's delicious. And if you guys actually like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and follow me on social media, Mel Honeybee Kitchen. Follow me on Facebook. And I've also have the links in the description box below, and also the list of the ingredients that I use to make the patty. Again, guys, thank you for watching.